you weirdos. We're at Potawatomi Hotel and Casino. We're playing high stakes, part of Lightning Link. So we're playing this one. It's got a higher than normal major. Starts at $5,000. It's at 9,074. That'll max out at 10 grand. The grand's at 120 almost. That starts at 100,000. We're gonna do 10 cent denomination. Minor's at 500. Mini's 100. Jackpot Joe is behind me. $50 spins. Here we go. You just get here? Are you better? Been running around all over the place. Joe, my buddy Nick. Joe. So the roulette wheels are the highest paying symbol. That's $600. We're going to get a Tito. Ticket in, ticket out, right here. Join the club. I know, everyone's been telling me that lately.
By the way, I watched you on YouTube. Way to go on Tarzan.
It was crazy, I know.
That was awesome.
Yeah, thank you.
I was like, what are you watching? I'm like,
Oh yes, right here. Got whatever you want out of there. There's bracelets, there's lanyards, there's everything. So, no, thank you. That was awesome. It was crazy, and it comes out of nowhere. It's just, yeah. All right, so we're not getting a whole lot here. We do have a Tito for $600. A lot of $50 bets. You guys know the drill. We need 3 or more gold cases, 6 or more of the poker chips to get us to the bonus round. All right. Oh, there's something. I see 2 of them. Now the minor shows up. All right, one quick one. We're done. We're going to go right to 50 cents. So 50 cents, someone hit something. Minis at 500. Minors 2,500. We'll start out with 37.50 a spin. Going to move all around here. Thank you. Good luck. 62.50. Come on. 3 of them. There's not a lot happening with it. We're gonna let this sort of fizzle out here. Nah, we're definitely gonna get one here. We better. A few dollars off. Usually I don't like to do those, so. All right, we're gonna throw in that Tito. We're still only in for the $1,000. We're gonna do some $50 spins. One more. All right, $50 bonus round. We're gonna get 6 free spins here. We're gonna call for a chip. Chip, 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 chip. The mini's at 1,000, minor's 5,000, dollar denomination. So that was the second spin at $50. Chip, chip, chip. It went by early. Come on. We got kings going across. I'll take it. 460. All right, we're gonna get 3 additional games here. Reserve the seat next to me because I'm assuming we're gonna get a hand pay here. Chip. Ooh, back to back. Real back to back. See, look at that. Real back to back. All right, it happened. Don't go dead on us here. Do it again, more wilds. All right, nothing crazy there, but we'll take the roulette wheel. Almost a hand pay. There's Daryl. I can smell him. Got it again. Boom. All right. We're going to have a hand pay here. Darrell. I know. $1,470, and we've got 6 spins after this. Chip, come back. Where's that chip? Chip, 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 chip. All right. Up there. Oh, we need 5 of a kind with the roulette wheel. It's really what we need. So we're just under $2,000, I'm assuming. See, I know how this game works. I didn't even have my player's card in, Daryl. You get fired from this. Another little something. Not much. What, 23 something now? 22.90. 2 left. Re-trigger. No. I stopped it. All right, guys, $2,290. All right, so we're in for $1,000, 500. All right, we're gonna keep going though. I'm gonna move over. We're gonna play on this one that Tom's trying to get on, but I took it. Oh, and Holly's here. The whole gang's here today. Everyone's trying to win the car I need to take home.
We got fucking 2 machines all,
PG channel here. I'm just kidding. All right, so we're gonna move over. I threw $1,000 in this one. We're gonna do the 10 cent. We're gonna try it. Mini's 100, minor's 500, major $6,300. Max bet $50 a spin. 3 or more of those crazy squeaky dolphins. 6 or more of the pearls with words, please.
do you want to show my super cool shoes?
Yeah, we'd love to see it. But we're gonna do this first. We're at $750 to start. Those minis are only 100, like I said. Let's lock this one down too, please. Here we go. Ooh, 800. That's a little one. Itsy bitsy teeny weeny. Where's that blue one? That'll put us right where we need to be. All right. All right, we're over now. $1,000 and another 100 for the mini. We got back-to-back lockdowns here. Oh, a minor, 500 more. All right, we're picking. I don't want the green one. I want the red one. All right, last spin. We are done. Check it out. Check it out, guys. We just hit $2,400 on a $50 bet. Right after we hit $2,290 on another $50 bet. Back-to-back machine lockdowns. Potawatomi Hotel and Casino. I'm spitting everywhere. It didn't work. So I just got to keep doing this then on the other one too. Potawatomi Hotel and Casino. We're killing it today. $2,400 on a $50 bet. $2,290 on a $50 bet. Unbelievable. Back to back. Maybe I do one more. So much work being me. Check it out, you weirdos. $2,400 on a $50 bet after I just had $2,290 on another $50 bet. Unbelievable. Wow. Sweet. Guys, we're back. All right, we just hit $2,400. We're going to, I just want to do a few spins at $50 on a dollar denom. See if we can hit it there. And then we're gonna go back to 50 cents, and then we're gonna move back over. Oh, what is that? All right, one quick one. All right. Ooh, but those are little ones. Who wants that? I feel like this is not done, but maybe I'm wrong. It was $5.50 and those 5. One more. All right, you got it again. $500. All right. The minis are only 100. We're having a mini party here today. All right. All right, guys. We're gonna have another one here in a second, hopefully. Well, this is the problem. We have people that when they lose a little bit, yeah, when they lose, they just hate their life. See, Karen's here. She's freaking out. And now she's going to go tell someone on me, probably. I know. All right, guys, $850 on a $50 bet. All right, a few more. What is happening here? Is this the denomination to play?
Yeah.
Let's just do 3 quick spins at 50 bucks there. Woo, we almost got it. All right, I'm gonna throw that ticket back in. So we're actually, we hit the first one at 900 bucks. So we're gonna be down a little bit unless we get something here. Wow, 1850 there. All right, I'm gonna move over. I'm gonna let Holly play this one if she wants to play it. We're gonna give up. We're gonna throw the red flag. You wanna play this one? Yeah, jump over. What's happening? I think $50 is the bet. All right, I quit. Holly's going to play it now. We're gonna go back to this one, finish off our session here. Now Karen can come and yell at me if she wants to. What'd she say? She's not impressed with my play or something? That's okay. I don't need to impress her. I'm not too concerned. Ooh, almost got back to back there. We got double our money. 4. What is happening today? 4 again. Them cars, $70. Come on. All right. So nothing here. Let's go to $50 at 10 cents. At 10 cents. Wow. Look at that again. 2 of the cases. I'm getting paid, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to have to deal with it as I get some money here. All right, I'm just signing for this one. Thank you. Go for it. Come on.
All right, good luck.
Thank you. All right, back at it here. I'm getting paid on another one here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 40, 60, 80, 24.
All right, guys, I just got paid on that one. We're done. You can card the other machine over there. 5 of a kind for the car is $435. We're gonna get another Tito coming out. Do it. There's 4. You want to see some $125 spins? I'm going to show them to you here. They didn't work. I had a feeling. Got those crazy dolphins next door to me chirping. do one lucky chance for $75. All right, we got one more. Stopped it. Should get another one here. And I'm going to stop it. Didn't work. All right, guys, we're gonna call it a session. We had 2 hand pays. We're up a little bit on this one. That was a fun one. If you guys haven't followed, subscribed, liked, commented, everything, please do. Thank you for watching.